Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're gonna do some roasted grilled turkey wings over a bed of coals on the grill. I'm guaranteeing you, if you try this recipe, you're gonna like it. And we're dealing with some basic ingredients. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this recipe like right now. So right now I have 4 whole turkey wings, and I want to separate the drumettes from the flats. Which piece do you prefer to eat? Is it the drumette or is it the flat? Please comment below and let me know your thoughts. Now I'm using 3 basic ingredients for this here grilled roasted turkey wings, and I'm guaranteeing you, if you try the recipe, you will definitely love it. And you might not have these ingredients on hand, but you'll love it. So right now I'm going to use some of this here Charlie Mills famous barbecue seasoning. You could definitely order this online and they'll ship it to your home directly. All right, so I'm going to leave the information in the description box if you want to try this here seasoning. The next seasoning I'm also going to use with this, is which is going to pair up basically well with this, is just going to be your typical, and I do mean typical, barbecue seasoning. You can either make up your own barbecue seasoning, or you could just go ahead, man, and buy some from the grocery stores. You can't go wrong with this. The next ingredients I do want to use is going to give it a lot of flavor, which is this rotisserie chicken seasoning. McCormick's makes this, and this is definitely a good seasoning to season up your meats with. So in this container, I have also some chicken wings along with the turkey wings, and I just want to season these babies up real good. So I'm giving it a nice shake with a lid container. Then once that's done, I want to pair up, take it a little step further. I'm gonna toss on a glove, and I just want to rub that meat, rub it so well that the seasonings will coat before we hit the grill. All right. So once we got our wings coated up, seasoned up, and they're ready to roll, I got my grill set up for direct cooking. That's coals all in the middle. And I'm cooking the wings first. The reason why I'm cooking the wings first, because they cook quicker than the turkey wings. Now, you continue to cook your wings until they hit the internal temperature of 165 degrees. But if you are cooking with direct heat over the grill, I want you to stand right there and continue to watch and observe your chicken wings, because you do not want to overcook or burn your chicken wings. All right, so let's get these wings together as far as it goes with the chicken wings, and then we'll start with the turkey wings. I'll be right back, and you better not go nowhere. Now our chicken wings are done. We got those set to the side. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our turkey wings on right now, and I'm doing the exact same thing, putting the wings on the outside. And I just want these babies to roast on the grill. I'm not doing any basting. I'm not adding any type of barbecue sauce. I just want to eat these wings just like they are right now and get the full flavor of these here seasonings. So I want you to cook these until the internal temperature reach 165 degrees. And I'm telling you, if you try this here recipe, you will love it. I'm telling you, you will love it. It's nothing good. No, there's nothing more so good than eating some roasted meat over the grill. And I roasted the wings, and I've also the chicken wings, and I'm also roasting these here turkey wings. And when I'm talking about mad flavor, y'all, this is what we've got: mad flavor. All right, y'all, it's time to eat. So I got our roasted turkey wings ready to go. Our grilled roasted turkey wings with some homemade mashed potatoes with some, look at these wings, y'all, I'm telling you. You don't need no sauce for these babies. Eat them as they go. And this is my all-time favorite, smoked sausages and string beans. I'm ready to eat. Let's go, y'all. I'm telling you, all you got to do is just prepare this here recipe on the grill. It's easy and simple with the simple ingredients, and have you some good sides to go with it. And I'm telling you right now, you can't go wrong. Make sure you get your favorite hot sauce. Texas Pete is my favorite hot sauce. I love it so much. But I also want you guys to do me a favor before you leave. Check out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Subscribe to my channel, and I just want to say thank you. And also watch these here videos. Click on my picture if you would like to become a Ray Mack's family member. Subscribe to this here channel. Share this here video. And I want to say, comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Love you guys. Peace.